Brought to you by JEGS.
Having car trouble? Here at Innova, we can help. We're on a mission to help keep your car or truck running, so we've bundled our powerful FixAssist line of OBD2 diagnostic tools with our all-new and free Repair Solutions 2 mobile app. Whether you're just getting started with your first OBD2 diagnostic tool or you're a seasoned technician, Innova has the perfect diagnostic solution to take control of vehicle maintenance. We empower you with the right tool, the knowledge, and the support you need to fix it right the first time.
The Innova FixAssist 3160RS and 3170RS are the ultimate OBD2 diagnostic tools designed for the tech that needs tons of features and is quick to use. The 3160RS and 3170RS models include the same great features as our 3130RS model, including the ability to perform all network scans, and packs in more functions you typically find in higher-priced OBD2 diagnostic tools. It is a huge benefit to have a single OBD2 diagnostic tool that helps me perform routine maintenance services. For example, I can use it to service the brake system, like disengaging the electronic parking brake during caliper service, activating the ABS pump during brake bleeding, or to evaluate brake pad life. I can also use it to view TPMS data and even read battery cell voltage when diagnosing hybrid vehicles. The 3160RS model also has the unique ability to add OBD1 connector adapters and coverage for several pre-1996 domestic and Japanese vehicles. It's the ideal accessory to diagnose vehicle problems on models from the mid-80s to early 90s. These adapters are included on the 3170RS.
We believe knowledge is power, and Repair Solutions 2 delivers it. Using Innova's Repair Solutions 2 is like having my own personal automotive technician in my toolbox. The app is an invaluable companion to my Innova FixAssist OBD2 diagnostic tool, as it provides me real-world fixes with the parts I need, taken from ASE certified technicians across the country. I can also watch instructional how-to videos, access safety recalls, keep up on scheduled maintenance, and view technical service bulletin. Plus, I can even buy the parts I need right from the app. Nothing makes it easier to get me back on the road. Innova strengthens its comprehensive diagnostic solution by delivering unmatched customer service when it matters most. When you have questions, our all ASE certified customer service team is ready to help, right here in our Southern California offices. So no matter how simple or how complex your question is, you can reach them 6 days a week via phone, email, or web chat.
Brought to you by JEGS. Fast Delivery. Your source for high performance and quality. Delivering performance since 1960. JEGS.com.